Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove broken tempered glass from your display on the Motorola Edge 40 Pro. Okay, the process is very simple, take a look. All we have to do is simply start from one of the edges, like for example from the left corner. So put your fingernail underneath this glass. You don't need to use any external accessories. So put the finger inside, lift that glass, and then take it off completely from your screen. Do it gently, and as you can see, we easily remove this broken tempered glass from the screen, and right now we can simply clear our display. And as you can see, that's how it looks. That's all for this video, hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.